So the next one is pointers. So what is pointers? Pointers are similar like a variable. Pointers are similar like a variable where we can store the address of another variable. Using this variable, we can store the address of another variable. For example, the syntax for declaring the pointer is data type star variable name. Okay. So for example, int star p. Okay, and then I am declaring a normal variable. It's an int x. So x is an ordinary variable. Okay, if you are defining just a variable, it's called as an ordinary variable. If you are declaring with star, this is p is a pointer variable. P is pointer variable. So this pointer variable have the capable to store the address of another integer variable. For example, so p is a pointer variable where we can store the address of any integer variable. For example, p equal to %x. So this ampersand operator, okay, this ampersand operator is used to get the address of the variable. So ampersand is used to get the address of the variable. Okay. And if I want to get the address at the value, okay, if I want to get the address at the value, using star you can also get address at the value. So this is we have to remember about the pointers. Okay, pointers are the variables where you can store the address of another variable, and using ampersand we can get the address of an integer variable. Here p is a pointer and x is an ordinary variable. P equal to %x, that means you are getting the address of x and you are assigning to the pointer variable. For example, p, okay, x. So where x equal to 20, you consider this. This is location is, memory location is 4050. So after the execution of p equal to %x, this 4050 is stored in p. Okay, so it get the address of this x. Address of x is assigned to p. Address of x is assigned to p. That is the use of pointers.